Good evening, everyone.
Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Great. Okay, I
Ma'am,
had
the
actually
homework
some.
question what did you give? I was not able to understand, ma'am.
What you didn't understand?
Ma'am, like I'm not able to understand the quadrilaterals, ma'am, so perfectly.
Okay, we'll do that. Okay, we'll do more sums on this. Okay. Rest, what else was the homework given?
Ma'am, the question that you gave in class, I didn't really understand how to solve it, ma'am. Can you just explain that, ma'am?
Ma'am, the answer is 36, 72, 108, 142.
Okay. See, in the class we were doing this, right? What you didn't understand, Shrestha? Yes, Shrestha?
Ma'am, I actually got it right there, but then I thought it was the wrong one.
Which
I
one?
just yeah, that one.
Which one? This one.
Yeah.
In a quadrilateral ABCD, the angles are in the ratio this. Find each angle of the quadrilateral. So just now Charan Tej is saying, Charan Tej, what are the measures of the angles?
Ma'am, 36 is to 72 is to 108 is to 144.
36, 72, 10,
Ma'am, 8,
108,
144.
144. Okay, are you getting these? How many are getting these angles measurements?
I got, ma'am.
Same? Great. Gagan
Ma'am,
also got the same. Just
Ma'am,
check out if
ma'am,
sum total of these, and 1 second, is the sum of these angles equal to 360 degree? Just check this. Did you check your answer?
ma'am, I added and checked,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, can I explain, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you explain again,
Ca-
ma'am? I
Ma'am,
didn't got.
can it,
Your
ma'am,
voice is breaking.
1 second.
ma'am, can I do there, ma'am?
Yes, tell me what you want to say, Pranav.
Can I do on the screen and show how to do it, ma'am?
You just tell me like that.
Okay, ma'am. First, we should add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, ma'am. So we will get 10, no, ma'am. So then we should get 1 by 10 times 360, ma'am.
Okay.
36 there. So the first angle will be 36 degrees. Likewise, we should do all the 4 angles out there, ma'am. Like 2 by 10 of 360, 3 by 10 of 360, 4 by 10 of 360. So we will get if we add all the angles together, we will get 360.
Yes, great. Okay, so that is one way of doing. Whatever you said is correct. That's so good. There's a
Ma'am,
shorter way of doing that. There's a shorter way of doing that. In a quadrilateral, it's saying all these angles are in this ratio. So if we take, let the first angle be, let the first angle be 1x, because the ratio is given x, so we take it 1x. Let the second angle be 2x. Okay. Let the third angle be 3x. Let the fourth angle be 4x. Right? Okay, children. So when I add all these angles, now when I have multiplied these angles with x, now these are no more in ratio form. Okay, so this is 1x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x equals to 360 degrees. So when I add them, what do I get?
10x is equal to 360.
So that's 10x is equal to 360 degrees. That means our x is equal to 360
By 10,
by 10, which is equal to 360.
36.
36. Okay, so x is 36. Now you just multiply all in place of x, just wherever you have x. you just
36,
multiply.
72, 108, 144, ma'am. If you multiply
Excuse me,
all.
ma'am.
1 second, beta, let me complete. That is 36. 36 into 2 will give you 72. Then 72 into 36 into 3 will give you 108. Then 142. Yes, understood this, Shrestha? Lasya?
Yes, ma'am. I actually know it, but then it's
Ma'am,
just that I got
actually, I didn't
confused.
understand. Ma'am, I actually didn't understood, ma'am. Your voice was breaking. My internet issue, I
Okay,
got power, ma'am.
anyhow, my voice is breaking, but have you seen? I've done the calculation here. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am, the voice was clear. That's
okay, but have you understood now?
yes, ma'am.
I've solved the question on the screen. So by looking at the screen, you must be able to understand now. Yes, Lasya?
Yes, ma'am. Could you explain a little bit again, ma'am?
Okay, see the first number is given as 1x. Okay, I have assumed it to be 1x. Why I have assumed it to be multiple of x? Because here the numbers are given in ratio form. Okay, so whenever we remove the ratio, we need to have some number with it. Okay, okay, some constant number with it. So that is, I have taken, let the first number be some 1x. I have taken the second number with 2x. As you must have seen, जब भी हम कोई रेशियो लेते हैं, proportionality form होता है, we always take a constant scalar with it. ऐसा
Yes.
कहते हैं हम, we take
Yes,
it like
ma'am.
this.
Yes.
If you remember,
Ma'am, so why did 1x came, ma'am? After 1x?
first listen to this. Okay, 1x, then 2x, 3x, 4x. Now what did I do? These were the angles I have taken on. I added them all and equated with 360 degree because I know the sum of all these angles is 360 degrees. Okay, so when I added them all, it became 10x, and from here I got the value of x. Now, wherever I had x, I just put the value of x. 1 into 36 gave me 36. 2 into 36 gave me 72. 3 into 36 gave me 108. 4 into 36 gave me 142. So that's how I got all the four angles. Yes, got it, Lasya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, good children. And I had given you some worksheet questions also. Did I?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am,
Had I given you some worksheet questions? Some 4-5 questions on the worksheet? Say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Say something, beta. Were you able to do?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, in that one question was there, last one. It was given that you have given you need to find the number of sides of a
Okay.
regular polygon. Can you
Okay.
explain that one once?
Okay, let me check out the question first. I don't remember from where I have given. 1 second. I have to clear Charan Tej's question also. Charan Tej, you were asking the question yesterday, no, of the previous last week's exercise.
yes,
Question
yes,
4,
ma'am.
5. Yes, I have to clear that also. Just a second. Okay, just let me check. Okay. In this question, it's given the last question that you're saying. Some who is saying, Gagan is saying.
Yes, ma'am, Gagana.
Okay, Gagan. The question is the interior angle of a regular polygon is 156. Find the number of sides of the polygon. Okay. So it's saying the interior angle of a regular polygon. Now, first thing it is given to us that the polygon is a regular polygon. This is answer to the whatever question you have asked. So first thing it is given that the polygon is a regular polygon. Okay, we have to keep this in mind. एक चीज़ हमें ये दिया है. The second thing it is saying that these are all the interior angles. Okay, the interior angle of a regular polygon is 156. So 156 is the interior angle. Then second thing, you are asked to find the number of sides of the polygon. You have to find the sides. Okay, how many sided polygon is this? Find the sides. Now what will you do here? Now see, you know that property. Just remember one property in your mind, that sum of all exterior angles of any polygon is equal to 360 degrees. We had done this. ऐसा हमने पढ़ा था chapter में. You remember this? How many
Yes, ma'am.
is this? The sum of all exterior angles of any polygon. It can be any polygon. It can be a triangle. It can be quadrilateral. It can be much more than that. Whatever. Okay, it can be any polygon. It's any. So, if these are 156 is the interior angles of some polygon. Say, I'm just assuming let the polygon be this. If 156 is some interior angle of this polygon, then what is the exterior angle of this? That means 180 minus 156 will be the exterior angle. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So that means how much it is? 156 minus 180 minus
24.
156 is 24. Okay, so that means our exterior angle is 24 degrees, right? Now sum of all exterior angles is 360 degrees. Now sum of all, we don't know how many angles are these. Okay, sabhi angles, let the number of angles be x, the total number of angles be x. That means that many sides will be n into 24 will give me 360. This is what we were doing when we were doing the exercise sums. Is it? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So, number of sides will be what? 360 by 24. What do you get here?
15.
Yes? That's 15. So,
15,
that means number of sides are 15. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, same way is the same question that Charan Tej had asked me. Charan Tej, your question also, I'll come to that. It was said in a fraction form. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So just a second, I'm coming to the question part. 1 second. I'll open the. Yes, Charan Tej. Your question was. I'm coming to your question. The question 4 you were saying, no? The question 4 said that find the number of sides of a regular polygon. Okay. So first thing we are given is the polygon is regular. Okay. If it's interior angle, now interior angle is 6 by 5 of a right angle. This is given like this. If the interior angle is 6/5 of a right angle, right? So you have to find the number of sides. Find the number of sides. Is it? Yes, Charantej?
Yes, ma'am.
This is what we are asked to do in this. Now see, the interior angle is given 6/5 of a right angle. Now 6/5 of a right angle is 90 degree. So 6/5 of a right angle will be 5 ones are, this is 8s are, okay. So that is 6 8s are is 48 and this will be 108. That means now this 108 is the interior angle. Is it? We are asked to find that this is the interior angle given to us, no? 6/5 of a right angle. So 108 is the interior angle. Now what to find the, how to find the exterior angle? Exterior angle will be 180 minus 108. Yes. So that will be 72 degrees. Exterior angle will be 72 degrees. So now, as per the same property, the sum of all exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degrees. So we don't know how many sides it has, multiplied with the measure of one angle will be equal to 360 degrees. So that means how many sided triangle polygon is it? 360 by 72. So when you get 360 by 72, what do you get?
Ma'am, this is question number 4, right?
Question number 4 only. So 360 by 72, you get 5, right? So that means n is equal to 5. It's a 5-sided figure. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you explain question 5 in that worksheet?
Question 5 is also the same. Okay, all these questions are the same. The one, this question also, yesterday's, just now somebody asked me here. Okay, they are all on the same lines. It's just the language of the question that's written like that. But you can see
Could you
the
little
method is
scroll
all
up?
the same. What happened?
Ma'am, could you little bit scroll up, ma'am?
I have to do the next question now, Mitchell.
Yes, ma'am. Done,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
actually in the same worksheet, question 5, actually the whatever answer we are getting, it is not given in the options.
Never mind. Maybe the options are incorrectly done. That's not a problem. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Maybe the options are incorrectly written there. No problem. We'll solve it now.
Could you little
Ma'am,
bit
can you
scroll
show
up?
the fourth question once? I'll just take a screenshot of it.
One second.
Yes, done.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Now the second question is the question number 5 of that worksheet was find the number of sides of a regular polygon. Okay, it's again a regular polygon. Okay, हमें हमेशा regular polygon ही मिलेगा इस केस में. You have to find the sides of a regular polygon to find sides, right, of regular polygon. If the exterior angle is given as exterior angle is 1/5 of a right angle. Okay. Now same way 1/5 of the right angle means right angle is 90 degrees. So that means this is 18. So that means 18 degree is the exterior angle, right? So with the exterior angle property, the sum of all the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degrees. So one exterior angle is given to us. So n times the exterior angle will be equal to 360 degrees. So that means n will be 360 by 18. So that means this will be 220. So n will be 20. Okay. Are you getting the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's 20 then. Okay. Right, children? Okay, let's do further. We'll do some more questions of this type. And today's homework, you have exercise question with you, exercise 8.3. Just check in your books if you have exercise based on the quadrilateral sums to find the angle of parallelograms and all. Just check out. So you
Ma'am, for a regular polygon, are all the outer exterior angles also equal?
yes. All exterior angles are not equal. It depends on the sides of a regular polygon. All regular polygon don't have same sides, no? Triangle is also a regular polygon.
Oh, okay.
Square is also a regular polygon. There are many more. Okay, so which is this chapter number? Quadrilaterals in your NCERT.
Chapter 3, ma'am.
Okay, the chapter number 3. Okay, so see, I'm talking about exercise 3.3, which is based on parallelograms. Do you have the same thing in your book?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I would like that you should do this exercise for homework. Okay? Yes,
Ma'am,
Okay,
which
ma'am.
one?
I'll show you just a second. I'll show you in the chapter.
Ma'am, the whole exercise.
Yes, whole exercise. Take time for it. You can do the homework by day after tomorrow also, if you need time.
Like all the 12 questions.
All questions.
Okay, okay, that one.
All questions, beta.
Okay.
I'm giving you practice from the extra questions, and I'm giving you NCERT exercise for the homework. Okay, these questions I'm saying exercise 3.3,
Yes,
and you have these questions here.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am. The same questions we
In
have.
case you are not able to do any of the question, then we'll definitely do it in the class. Right? So these
Yes,
are
ma'am.
12 questions. I'm giving you 2 days time, today also and tomorrow also. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that means you have to do it by today is Tuesday, so on Thursday we don't have class tomorrow. We have it on Thursday. So by Thursday it should be complete. Exercise 3.3.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you like send a picture of the thing because my textbook is not NCERT.
Can you take a screenshot? I've opened the exercise here. Please take it.
Okay, ma'am.
1 second. I'll take a screenshot of this.
Ma'am, just a second.
Just take 2-3 screenshots.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone can take, those who don't have the book. You can take it from here. Okay, this is the first screenshot you have taken.
Yes,
Done?
ma'am.
Okay, now take the next one. 1 second. I guess this you have taken. Take it now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now after question number 8. So that's this. Take the next screenshot.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then you have take the next.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So this is your exercise 3.3. So this is your homework and you can do it when we meet next. Okay, now coming back to the page. Okay, let's do some more questions. Okay, do this now. A simple question. How many? Please do it now. Now see, we have done so many questions of this type. Now this is for you. how many sides has a regular polygon each angle of which is of measure 108. Shall we do this? Try this.
Ma'am, each angle of which, right, ma'am? That is?
Each angle of which is measured 108.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's 108x is equals to 360 degrees, so you can write.
Ma'am, is it 5 sides?
Yes, what children?
Ma'am, is the polygon having 5 sides?
See, just now 108 वाला question हमने अभी किया था. Is it each of its how many sides a regular polygon? How many sides has a regular polygon? Each side of which is of measure 108 degrees. Okay. Each angle of which is of measure.
Ma'am, 108x is equals to 360. We can write.
One second. It's saying each angle is 108 degrees. That means when it is saying angle of a polygon means this is the interior angle of a polygon. So you need to find the exterior angle first. So exterior angle will be 180 minus 100.
72, ma'am.
So that will be 72.
Ma'am,
So
answer
just
is
now
5.
we did this with the यही same measurement we had just done the question. No, 9n into 72 is 360. Yes? Is it? This is the one we did. Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So that was given in a different
Ma'am-
language. See the language.
Ma'am, I
of the
have a
question
doubt in
was
that
6 by
question.
5 of right angle. The language of the question was like this. And here the
Ma'am,
language of one second.
solve this question, ma'am. Could you explain it, ma'am?
This is n into 72 is 360.
Ma'am, 5 answer.
Okay.
Ma'am.
See, just the language of the question is different. Rest everything is same. Here it was given that the interior angle is 108. In the above question, it was given that the angle was in a fraction form of right angle. Is it? So you understand the difference? 1 second, Lasya. Lasya, it's again I'm explaining the same question. Please listen carefully. How many sides a regular polygon has? Now it's saying it is some polygon is here. We don't know how many sides it has. Okay, I've just made a polygon. Okay, how many sides a regular polygon has? Each side of each angle of which is measure 180 degrees. Now it's saying each angle is 108. Each angle is 108. This is what it is saying. So you have to find how many sides does this polygon has. What happened? What happened? Okay. So it's saying this angle is 100, interior angle is 108. If interior angle is 108 means what will be the exterior angle? Because interior and exterior angle both are making linear pair, no? So 180 minus 108 will be 72. So 72 will become the exterior angle. And according to the exterior angle property, we know that sum of all the exterior angles of any polygon is 360. So that means we don't know how many angles it has in total. So n into 72 will be 360 degrees. So that means this n will become 360 by 72, which is equal to 5. You got it now? Yes,
ma'am.
Lasya? Yes, Lasya, understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's do some more. Your class is till what time? Today
6:10, ma'am.
10. Okay. Just 2-3 minutes are left. Okay, prove that the 1 second. I'm just taking a question. Okay, take this question. Even if the class gets over, you please continue doing this question, okay? Okay.
Ma'am, could you scroll up much? Just little bit. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Done.
Two regular, please note down the question so that you can continue even after the class, right, children? Two regular polygons are such that the ratio between, keep noting down with me, ratio between their number of sides take this for homework, okay? Do it after the class. Number of sides is 1:2 and the ratio of measures of their interior angles. So read the question carefully and then do. Interior angles is 3:4. Find the number of sides of each polygon. Okay, so you have to find the sides of each polygon. So two regular polygons are such that the ratio between their number of sides is 1:2 and the ratio of the measures of the interior angles is 3:4. Okay, and sides ratio is given, interior angle ratio is given. Find the number of sides of each polygon. Okay, so read the question carefully and try.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, we should only find the sides of each polygon, or we should also find the interior.
Whatever you asked to find, you have to do this. Okay. Find the number of sides of each polygon. Right, children? Okay. Have you noted down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm
Yes,
writing the class now. Okay, thank you, beta. Please continue doing this. This is for homework and you have your exercise 3.3, right? And exercise 3.3 for homework. Okay. Thank you, beta. Bye to all.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, Richard.
Bye, ma'am. Thank
Bye.
you.